So all you need to do is just type one word in this box, click Save, click Make, and you will be paid $30. You can do it again and again and do it every single day and make money from anywhere in the world. But you need to do it properly, otherwise it won't work. That's why you must watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you step by step how it must be done. Signing up to this platform is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money upfront, or you don't need to have any super writing skills. And if you're too lazy, you can just copy and paste that one word if you don't want to type it. So before we dive into today's topic, make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing if you're interested in making money, because that is what we share on this channel. Also hit the notification bell so you can be the first one who gets notified whenever I upload that kind of video. You will be able to find it first, and it will let you make the most money as well. So this is the platform that we are going to use. This is the main website that you must come and make simple videos with just one word. So here is how this website works. All you need to do is just type a single word, and this platform creates a professional video for you, and this is how you're getting paid for each video. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can actually do it step by step, and you can see what is written here. The easiest way to make awesome videos. And no, you don't need to have any editing skills, you don't need to edit any video, you don't need to record any video. There is nothing that you're going to do with editing. All you need to do is just type a word, and the website is going to create a professional video for you. And you can repeat it again and again, and I'm going to show you how it must be done. Choose your favorite video template, fully customize it online, and watch us generate your video instantly. It can get any easier than that. You can start immediately. So the name of this website is motion.com. But don't go straight forward to the website, because you don't know how to set it up properly in order to make a good amount of money from it. Instead, just make sure to watch this video till the end and implement all the strategies here so you can earn much more than usual. I'm going to share with you all the tricks that you will need to make it work. So the first thing that you have to do is just come to the homepage and click on Get Started button right here so you can sign up. You can do it either by connecting your Facebook or Google account, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just a click on a button. But if you don't want to do so, you can just sign up with your email address by using this button right here and manually enter your details here. So another thing that you can want to pay attention is the checked box right here. I would advise you to uncheck it because it gets really annoying when you keep getting emails from promos and other things that you're not interested at all. It is just a way of spamming your email box. So personally, I don't like being subscribed to that kind of newsletters. After that, it will take you less than 60 seconds to sign up. Once you sign up, the website will let you see all the templates that you can use in order to create a professional video by using just one word. So here on the left side, you can see that you can actually generate that kind of videos from different categories on the left side. You can create videos about ads, animated, automotive, business and services, corporate, e-commerce, education and training, event, Facebook, fashion, food and restaurant, gaming, intro, love and romance, marketing, outro, presentation, promo, slideshow, social media, real estate, sport and action, typography, wedding, and etc. And you can use all those templates, and you can see that they're highly professional. There are 3D videos as well. And I'm going to explain you step by step what you need to do and how you're going to make $30 per each word that you type. So for now, we are going to focus on two specific categories that will actually generate you $30 per word. So you must pay attention to intros and outros. So forget for now for all the other categories and focus on those two ones because this is the easiest way of making money. So let's click on intro, and here you can actually explore some different templates and you can scroll to find something different and interesting. For example, I'm going to use this one just to show you how it actually works. After clicking on the template, you will be led to this page, and here you can actually customize the video by clicking on edit the video. And now all you need to do is just click on this button and type one word in this box, and I'm going to show you what kind of word you must be using. But for now, let's say it is the word classy. Just write it down and click save and click make video, and that's it. Now they will instantly generate the video for me, and keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can actually sell that kind of videos for $25 or $30 again and again. And also I'm going to show you a proof that it really works, because there are people who keep making money over and over again by using this website and the same strategy that I'm going to share with you on this video. So if you continue to dashboard, you will see that actually my video is rendering and it will be ready in a couple of minutes. So you can see that you just need to type a one word that will automatically create you a professional intro that you will be able to sell and make money. So actually we can repeat the same process and click here on templates and create another video as well. We go to intros or outros. Let's keep going with intros. So here you can find a template that you really like. Let's say this one, because I really liked it. Then just click on it, and if you have a logo, you can even put a logo, and if you don't, just keep going with the text. Type the word here, click on save, then on make, and that's it. You're ready with the intro that you can sell in additional platform that I'm going to share with you right now. So first of all, you can start with quickandgeeks.com. This platform is a similar one to the Fiverr, and it is a complete free website for freelancers. Millions of people are offering their services here daily, and you can be one of them too. You can provide your own service to the entrepreneurs. You can see that they've partnered up with the massive companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, PayPal, and etc. And this is one of the millions of freelancers websites that you can use, and I'm showing exactly this one instead of Fiverr because it is not a competitive one. Fiverr is already saturated. It has hundreds and thousands sellers. That's why Quick and Geeks is a better option for the beginners, especially if you're not an established seller. There are more buyers than sellers on this website, and that's why you can go and use it. The selling potential is much higher. Here you can go to the intros and outros, and you will see that actually there are people who are already providing the service, and you can see that they are already making money. For example, this guy here, you can see how many people rated his job, and you know that not every client gives a feedback. It means that he's making much more than that. And why don't you be one of those people? And this is just one of the websites that you can use. Another website is People Per Hour. And once more, you will see that actually there are people who are already providing the service. And you can see that they are already making money. For example, this guy here, you can see how many people rated his job, and you know that not every client gives a feedback. It means that he is making much more than that. And finally, you can use Fiverr as well. It has a lot of potential, and it takes you nothing to post your video here and tell to the potential customer that you're providing that kind of service. If you sell, that's great. If you don't, it's okay. You still have other freelance websites that you can actually use and advertise your service. Fiverr is really competitive, but it doesn't mean that you can't give it a try. So once you get a sale, all you need to do is just come back to the page and just type a word and get your video done, and then you can download to your computer. So in order to remove this watermark here, you will need to pay around $9 per video, and I think it's okay because at the end of the day you're selling your video for $30. It is still a great profit, and you don't need to invest anything upfront. You will pay your $9 only after getting a sale. And if you start selling more videos, you can just pick the monthly plan and you will be able to make as many videos as you want. So I think it is a great business model. You're making 30 videos for a video that will literally take you only 60 seconds to create it. And then you can advertise it for free on different freelancing websites. So guys, That was everything that I wanted to share with you. If you think that this video gave you value, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one, so you can be the first one who can get advantage from the opportunity. Have a nice day.